If you're seeing a Clipchamp error code out of memory or a 500 internal server error, don't worry. In this video, I'll show you a few quick fixes that usually solve it fast. This is especially helpful if Clipchamp keeps freezing, failing to load your project, or crashing when you try to export. We're going to go step by step, and I'll also show you the best settings to try first so you can get back to editing without wasting time. And if this video helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy software tutorials. Alright, let's jump in. First, open Clipchamp and load the project that's giving you the error. If the page is stuck or not responding, the first thing you should do is close other tabs and apps. Too many browser tabs, games, editing software, or background programs can use up memory and cause Clipchamp to fail. So close anything you are not using, especially heavy apps that may be running in the background. This simple step alone can fix memory-related errors for a lot of people. Next, make sure you are using Google Chrome or Microsoft Edge. Clipchamp works best in those browsers, and using another browser can sometimes trigger loading or memory issues. So if you're not already in Chrome or Edge, open one of them now, go to Clipchamp, and open your project again. If the problem started in a different browser, switching here may immediately improve performance. Now let's turn on hardware acceleration. This is one of the most important fixes for a Clipchamp out of memory error. In Chrome or Edge, open the browser settings, then go to System. Look for the option that says Use Hardware Acceleration when available and turn it on. After that, click Relaunch so the change takes effect. Hardware acceleration helps your browser use your computer more efficiently, which can reduce strain and improve Clipchamp performance. If the error happens when exporting, try reducing the video quality. In the Clipchamp editor, click Export and choose 720p instead of 1080p or 4K. Higher export quality uses more memory and system resources, so lowering the export resolution can prevent the crash and allow your video to finish exporting successfully. If your goal is just to get the project out without errors, this is a smart and very effective option. Another fix is clearing your browser cache. Over time, cached files and cookies can build up and interfere with web apps like Clipchamp. To do this, open your browser settings, then go to Privacy and choose Clear Browsing Data. Select cache and cookies, then clear them. After that, restart your browser and try opening Clipchamp again. This can remove corrupted data that may be causing the 500 internal server error or memory problem. If Clipchamp still isn't working, try refreshing the page and reopening the project after completing these steps. In many cases, the combination of closing unused apps, switching to Chrome or Edge, enabling hardware acceleration, lowering export quality, and clearing cache is enough to fix the issue completely. So to recap, the best fixes for Clipchamp error code out of memory are close other tabs and apps, use Chrome or Edge, enable hardware acceleration, reduce export quality to 720p, and clear your browser cache. If one fix doesn't work, move on to the next one until Clipchamp loads properly again. I hope this video helped you fix the Clipchamp 500 internal server error or out of memory issue. If it did, please hit like and subscribe for more quick tech tutorials, and leave a comment if you want help with another Clipchamp error. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.